Sri Lanka. Haggard face, guys. Walang tulog si Dayan Studio. Nagutom kami. So dito kami magkaroon ng tea. We order her tea and water. Gusto ang aga pa, wala talaga akong tulog. Grabe ang ulan dito din ngayon. Baka mag-stay muna kami ngayon sa hotel, bukas na kami lalabas. See this still bread of Sri Lanka, guys. Smoking area only you are checking, huh? Our room, they have smoking area, I think. So guys, this is the hotel that we check in. It's a beach. So malapit lang talaga kami, guys. No, actually nasa city kami. So guys, we are here na our hotel. Wow! Sri Lanka. This is our view, the city view. Wow! Grabe ang mahal ng hotel nila, guys. Kasi actually, mag-upgrade sana kami ng beachside. You know how much we need to pay? In one night, we pay extra $60. Pay $60. Imagine $60 in one night. So may malaki yung balcony. And then, of course, is a sea view. So guys, look at them. They have Japanese restaurant. They have pool. Ang ganda ng pool nila. Actually, magko-close ng 11 p.m. Yes, hindi siya masyadong malaki yung room, guys. But I like it. It's too much clean. See? Hindi na lang kami nag-upgrade, guys. Kasi imagine, for 3 nights kasi kami dito. So, 60 times 3, $180. So, we paid na here for around 1,600 dirham for 3 nights, free breakfast. So, kung magdagdag kami, aabot ng mga less than 3,000 dirham for the hotel only. Imagine. So, this is their coffee. This is their refrigerator. See? Guys, look at their bathroom. Very high technology. Actually, guys, bago itong hotel dito sa Colombo. Yes. Look at her. So, this is their toothbrush. So, this is our bed, guys. You can see behind our bathroom. So, look at their mirror. Then the bathtub and the shower. See, look at the bathroom. See, guys, so this is the bathroom. It's so cute. This is the high tech. So this is all high is hot na. So if you like that, it's automatically, see, guys. Power, seat, and water. So if you go out, actually, it's automatic. automatically open this one. This one is automatically open. You see? This is only automatically open. And this is all sanitized. It's all hot. So after you use this one, it's automatically closed, and then it will also automatically flash. Yeah, it's same in the Arabica bathroom there nearby in our place. See guys, this is their infinity pool. It's nice in the night, kitty pie. Right? Ah, yeah. See the beach. So guys, this is our location for today's video. It's our first day here in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So this is the Corniche, guys, and shout out the Sheraton. Actually, Cutie Pie like the Sheraton Hotel. Wow! But this is the new one, guys. Yes. So this is the pool bar. And the good thing, guys, the infinity pool will close at 11 p.m. Yes. So marami pa kaming time doon sa gabi. Yes, o diba ang ganda. Very nice the surroundings. So nandito kami sa city, guys, of Colombo. So pwede na nga kami maglakad dyan para mag-check sa mga nice place here. Yes. At the beach. See, I think Kitty Pie, they have their jacuzzi. And this is their kids pool, guys. So maybe I will take shower on the here. No, it's still not a kids pool, baby. Yeah, see guys. Oh my god. In the night, this is small. See, amazing.
The Lotus Mall.
This is the one?
I think that will open.
This one?
The wings will open.
Oh yeah, maybe we will pay. Same that Marina Mall, right? Before? Yeah.
Will open that's a Lotus they're telling.
Oh.
Open like a Lotus. Now it's closed.
So if we go there up,
I think maybe in the evening or night time will open.
oh my god, how much that? I'm scared of the heights.
That's a mall.
Yeah. So this is the pool bar, guys. Yeah, pool bar on the top. Wow! Yeah, we're coming here, right? So this is the one. So we will go for our breakfast. So ngayon, guys, magsuswimming ako at itutuloy ko yung tour namin sa inyo sa hotel. Yes. So outfit for today. Guys, this is Sherita Jacuzzi. Yes, actually, ang daming tao doon sa yung Infinity. Grabe, ang lamang. See? Sayang nahuli kami sa sunset. So guys, this is the view in the night. Wow! See? Yeah. This is for me, guys. Ang dami nilang fruits. Thai fish cake, beef sausage, dal curry. The fruits is too much. Very too much. So breakfast time, guys.